Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg with a microwave. First, select a microwave-safe bowl or mug, as this is crucial for safety and preventing a mess. If you're cooking a whole egg, gently pierce the yolk a few times with a fork to prevent it from exploding. Adding just 1 or 2 teaspoons of water or milk helps create steam, ensuring your egg cooks evenly and stays moist. Finally, cover your dish loosely with a lid or microwave-safe plastic wrap. For delicious scrambled eggs, crack 1 or 2 eggs into your prepared bowl. Add about 1 tablespoon of milk or water, then whisk vigorously until well combined. Place the bowl in the microwave and cook on high for 30 seconds. Remove, stir well, and then return for another 15 seconds. Repeat this 15-second interval, stirring after each, until the eggs are just set and fluffy, usually taking about 1 minute in total. To poach an egg, fill a microwave-safe bowl with about 1/2 cup of water. Gently crack 1 egg into the water, making sure it is completely submerged. This water bath helps create that classic poached texture. Remember to pierce the yolk with a toothpick to prevent any explosions. Microwave on medium-high power for 60 to 90 seconds. The white should be fully set, but the yolk should remain wonderfully runny. For a quick microwave fried egg, lightly grease a small microwave-safe plate or shallow dish with butter or oil. Carefully crack 1 egg onto the plate, then pierce the yolk multiple times with a fork. This is essential to prevent bursting. Microwave on medium-high power for 45 to 60 seconds. The cooking time will vary based on your microwave's wattage and your desired yolk consistency, from runny to firm.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.